Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing an Italian cuisine. It's a smooth, creamy delight, packed with rich flavors that melt in your mouth, making it the ultimate sweet treat you'll want to savor right away. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as gelato, gelato, gelato. Often enjoyed as a dessert on a warm day or as a refreshing treat anytime, this Italian classic is a favorite at gelaterias and gatherings, loved for its light, creamy texture. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.